When you're separating egg whites and egg yolks, it's often really important that you get no yolk in the white because if you do, those egg whites aren't going to whip up at all. So here's how you separate eggs with no risk of getting any yolk in your whites. Use 3 bowls. Take your first egg, crack it into one of the bowls, but go ahead and toss the yolk back and forth from shell to shell like this until you're sure all the white is out and you have not broken that yolk. With that yolk, put it into a smaller bowl. Take the egg white and put that into a third bowl. Now go ahead and do your next egg. Break it into your first bowl and then either toss it back and forth between the shells, or if you want to be even safer, go ahead and pour it into your hand, letting that white drip through your fingers. Once that white has dripped through and that yolk is intact, you know that no yolk is in your white. Go ahead, transfer that egg yolk to your other bowl and your white to your clean whites bowl. Now, you can crack one more egg in here, and the point is that if you break your yolk and it goes into your white, you've only wasted one white. You still have preserved good whites right over here. Easy, foolproof, helps you not waste your eggs.